In February of 2022, Progressive Planet acquired a Kamloops-based business with a 30-year track record selling a wide range of products to consumers and farmers. We're now becoming a hub for clean tech innovation to help fight climate change and restore our ecosystems. Using the deposits of British Columbia's volcanic fields and recycled materials, we're making planet-friendly products. We deliver more than 2 million products every year. You can find Progressive Planet brands in more than 10,000 retail outlets in every state and province in North America. And we're still growing by creating new made-in-BC innovations that sequester harmful CO2 and improving the health of the soils we rely on. Planet-friendly fertilizers. According to the United Nations, if soil degradation continues at the current pace, we have fewer than 60 harvests remaining. We're doing something to fix that. Using the natural ingredients of our volcanic fields, we're developing new kinds of fertilizer to increase food yields while using less fertilizer per acre. Lower carbon cement. Another Progressive Planet innovation is something the world desperately needs. If the $363 billion cement industry were a country, it would be the third largest emitter of CO2 in the world. More than 8% of global emissions come from making cement. We're going to change that too, with Pause Glass. Made of 100% recycled glass from BC, Pause Glass can reduce the amount of CO2 producing fly ash and Portland cement now used to make concrete by up to 50%. We even transform CO2 emissions created in the making of Pause Glass into a common mineral. Another win for the planet. We plan to start building the first Pause Glass plant in 2023. Our partner, Lafarge Canada, has already agreed to buy and use the Pause Glass we make. Our plan is to partner with cement companies and export this technology around the globe. At Progressive Planet, we're part of Canada's mission to restore our environment and combat climate change. Our low-carbon, planet-friendly products will be important brands in a combined market that exceeds over $100 billion in North America alone. At Progressive Planet, we do clean tech naturally.